fun now.
Yeah. Oh, you've had enough? Roll up, chin lower, honey, and smiling big. Good. Hair on this side a little bit. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. That's great. Chin down, please. Lovely. You gotta get it before the hair falls. It's so silky.
It's a problem.
It just
The left
moves.
side.
Ooh, this girl means business. Smiling. Love it. Good. You can almost lean backwards, you know, a little bit. Yeah. Keep your back to me a little bit. You're going on the shoulder a little bit, just like that. Okay. So you can start, you know, a little more squarely if you need to, but I want it, not that far, not past me.
Yeah.
You're going right past me.
Okay.
Ready? Go ahead and give me the action. Beautiful. Lower chin, lower chin. Okay, let's do an intentional non-motion one. Home runs all day long. Don't move anything. If you can just move that hair completely away, good. Chin down again. It's a face shot, baby. That's what it is. Okay.
Yeah.
It's so,
eye.
yeah. It's hard, to catch it every time, but we got most of them. Lovely. Yeah, looks nice on you. Couple of tips just to get the background balance. Nice. That's pretty good. All right. Very nice. Can't miss. Tell you what, grab one of the bigger reflectors too that we have.
Put it this way.
That we have.
Normal.
Silver, translucent.
Beautiful. Great. Very, very nice. Excellent. Relax yourself. Okay, I'm going to try different things with the hand. Actually, looking down at the silver for a minute. Just right down there for a minute. Then I'll call your eyes back up right here at me. Yeah. Smashing. Make courtesy background, little spotlight. We'll be back in half step, just a tiny boom. And then face more this way. Good. Wait again on one. Nice. See which one should be on. Should be on your right foot. Good. And then bring the hands back up higher. Like this, like you're gonna catch something soft. Beautiful. It's lovely. Get the heel up or something. Lovely. Good. All right. Start turning the face a little bit more to the light. Beautiful. Chin lower. Lovely. Good. More serious one here. Good. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, relax the arms. Just put the hands on hips again. Legs are great. Beautiful. Oh yeah, how'd that happen? I love that. Pretty great. Okay, and relax. First, let's walk the silver up from her waist up just a little bit. It's just going to be a headshot. All right. Beautiful. Okay. We've got it covered, and they're all beautiful. So now let's cross the arms and put them on that knee or somewhere near there. Cute. It's getting easier. All right. So now we're just going to profile that shot. So just spin it towards the wall. Same pose. Just go slide. You're on a turntable. Just turn you away. That's good. That way, and this time you'll cross arms and lean in hard to your like that. Beautiful. Then you can pick your favorite. Very cute. Shadows a little bit. Yes. I want to move that hair out of the eye right there. Looking down. Beautiful. And then just bring the eyes to me. Chin lower still. Move the hair out of your face a little bit. Good. Nice. That's pretty. Okay, let's do one last change. I'm going to spin the opposite way. We never know which one we're going to love the most. Balance comes from imbalance. Chin lower and gorgeous. Oh, yeah.
Just hold the tissue.
Go shorter with your name, like it stay far away.
Face from here.
Beautiful. Just one, there's just one.
Okay.
That's good.
No words.
It's lovely. So cute. Stay there. Nice. They all do. Because if they don't do it for her, they can do it for me.
Yes.
All right. So get that. Bust that. Move. You know, you gotta really get that balance. That's good. That was just a few clicks towards the lightning. And lower. Beautiful. She's getting it out. She's just getting that. That's so cute. Okay. You can put your palm in and hands underneath. Yeah. This one on the hip. Pumped up. Very nice. Now we can. So I think we'll spin like this. And just kind of lean in.
Okay.
Cross arms, lean. Beautiful. I think it'll be all the much prettier to get close to your face. Stay tall though, and then you just fall just like that. Very pretty. So first, punch up, nice pose like you had, and then you turn your head. Beautiful. Yes. Fall and looking over to the mirror, lower, lower, beautiful. Actually look there for one or two. Lower spot. Pick a spot. Okay, that's good. That's actually a good one. All right, now, at me, okay, serious one for a couple. Right there. Nice. Okay, you can be happier than that. That kind of scares me a little bit. Chin up higher. All right, good. Okay, good. Relax, you can afford even to have the silver on top. Jeez. I like the clothing better. You can see the hands. Alright. Just rest those hands, like fall into it. It fits, it fits. So you just tip and fall a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Keep those eyes open and clear and beautiful. Nose can go a little bit towards mom's knees, eyes to me. Beautiful. Oh, it is so pretty in there that way.
Oh man.
Stay,
Anything?
stay.
Anything? No? Okay, go. Nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I suppose you just keep fixing your left side of the hair.
Yeah. So keep the head a little more square. Beautiful. That's it. That's so nice. You can move the hair though. It will move. It does have to be adjusted. Good girl. And then just resting and tipping down. Beautiful. Nice. I love that all day long.
You're
Right
still
there.
half
There's-
of the year.
Spotlight just slightly now to the left, please. Just turn it.
It's like the hedgehogs with
Good.
the royal thing.
Yeah. And one of those. That was your first blink.
Oh, I
I'm
believe.
gonna charge you for that.
Hold on.
No, one in a thousand shots. No, it's exactly right. And again, chin down. Good. It's cute, cute, cute. I love that. Drop the chin, move. Go ahead. Yeah. Oh, still cute. Okay, good. Now you up to one last thing. Extra light on you there. And we'll be ready to. You can come back towards the light. It won't matter much. Good. That's cute.
Please on your shirt. Just
A little bit that way. Yeah, I can get wrinkles out too. But you can do just yank a little bit. Good. Weight is great, hands are great, nose has to go out. Beautiful. That's super cute. A little closer. So cute. Stay there. Woo.
I have the same
Good fabric or something.
thing.
You're doing great. Again. Beautiful. Okay, eyes to me. And a happy one. Alright, good. Let me find my best spot. Oh yeah. Cute, cute, cute. Very, very nice. Okay, the other hand can just come. There's a rubber holder there. Just hang on. Excuse me, Mikey. You're good. Yes, 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 yes. Alrighty. I'm gonna make a looser one still. Good girl. Okay, stay right there for a second. Almost got you, girl. Finished up. And we'll be happy that it's over. And then we see a picture and say, that was worth it. And it's a little flat. So, Chris, let's move your lights this way. I want to enhance what's already there. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. That's pretty. You know what you should do, maybe? Suck up a leg, drop a knee over that way or something. Good. That's fine. And now we'll do the reverse. And your nose will be just a little bit this way. This is your good side. Beautiful. Love it. Oh, I love that one all day long. Right. Looking out and up a little bit, and then eyes to me. Oh, yeah. And say goodbye to them.
Bye.
I'm done. That was awesome.